289.
Got some emblems.
Yeah, 289. That's a Ford.
Yeah.
That's probably, that goes on the fender.
Mustang, or I guess maybe.
Yeah, Mustang or a Galaxy or a Chevrolet. That's probably the grill.
Well, these are like $5, 10, 15, depending on what they are.
Wow, that's a Falcon.
Yeah.
Probably a Falcon. The 260 that come out, and then the 289 come out right after it. There's a Buick.
Buick.
There's an Oldsmobile.
Yeah.
There we go. There's a Sport.
Sport.
Yeah, Sport, like a Ford. Probably Ford.
Probably Ford.
Yeah, there's a F-250 emblem.
Yeah.
That's a fender.
That's nice.
Yeah, boy. It's got all the prongs on it. There's more 289. There's a matching set right there for the front fenders. And
so, horn button, maybe? Center cap?
Yeah, that's a horn button.
Yeah.
Horn button.
I think it came with the Mustang Mach stuff, but I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, that's some nice stuff. There's a Mustang. Speaking of, the devil, there it is. There's a Mustang. There's your Mustang. There's a custom cab. That's a Ford.
Yeah.
The 60s. Let's see. Cobra 2.
Cobra 2.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the little Cobra 2s. The 70s. Early 70s. There's a F-250 Ranger. Got the prongs with it. There's the other 260. Right there. There you go. There's a couple of 260 fenders. Yeah. Matching sets. Now that's that comes on a 55. 55, 56, 57. One of those.
Yeah.
And that's
car truck.
Yeah, that's back there at the back tail lights. Believe it's right. I might be.
We got a few of them.
Yeah, they'll let me know. Let me know if I'm wrong. There's a
Ford with
there's a little rough, but
yeah. That one's pretty good.
Yeah, that one's like the 60s. 60 through 66, I believe. There's a 307. That's come off I believe that come off a Nova. I want to say a Nova. That's off the fender, little marker light.
We got all kind of parts. I mean, you never know what you're gonna see.
Here's you some gas pedals. If you know, some of them. This come off one of them rice burner cars. That's what I call them. You know, out in foreign jobs.
Yeah.
But you put them on something like a rat rod. There's your Malibu. Like
that's nice.
Yeah, boy. That's good.
That's some good man cave stuff too.
Yeah, buddy. Another 289.
Hey, we got 3 of them.
Yeah, boy. There's what's that? Town sedan.
Town sedan. That's different.
I don't know. That's probably a Ford. There's a Galaxy.
Galaxy 500.
Yeah, buddy. That's on the fender. Or, well, I guess it's on the fender. I don't know if that'd be a fender or in the dash or something.
It might be on the dash. Looks like maybe.
There's a 350. 350 Chevrolet. That's on the fender, I think. There you go. There's a grill. Probably Oldsmobile. Buick Oldsmobile. Probably Oldsmobile.
There's a bunch of emblems in there.
Yeah, boy, there's all kind in here, babe. There's a induction. That goes up on the hood.
Yeah.
Induction. F-350 Custom. There's a Ford. There's Cutlass.
That's nice.
The Cutlass.
I like that.
Yeah, boy. That's got all the little nuts with it.
Yeah.
There it is. Cal induction.
There you go.
Cal. There you go. Cal induction right there. Cal induction. That's how it goes. There's Cutlass. Another Cutlass.
That one's different though.
Yeah. That's
Throat different.
Probably older one. One of them 60s. Let's see. Overdrive. And there's a Mustang.
Yeah.
Mustang. I don't know if that's a grill or what that is, or a hood. Probably grill.
Probably.
Grill. There's a Dodge Ram Custom 250. That's one of them little. Well, I was going to say it was a stick-on, but no, it ain't. There's another 260.
Wow, we got all kinds of them.
There's another 260. Let's see, what is that? That's the big 390. That's a, what's that, Thunderbird?
Yeah, I think so.
Or something.
Something like that.
That's a big 390 there, babe.
You want them all? We'll sell them all to you.
Yeah, buddy.
You can put them all over your man cave.
Ranger XLT. The Silverado. That's the big metal one.
That's
big
nice.
Metal. Yeah, buddy. Silverado.
Like a 70s or something, maybe?
Yeah, or 80s.
70, 80. Square body?
Yes, square body. There's a custom deluxe, and that's your 70s.
Yeah.
Big Chevrolet, custom deluxe. There's another 57. Well, that says 62 Impala. Sorry. That goes on the fender. 62 Impala, right on the front fender there. On the front of the front fender. And there's a custom. That's a Ford F200.
I guess.
Yeah, big F200. There's your XLT, more Ford Ranger XLT. Or your full-size Ford. There's more of the 60s.
We got a lot of Ford, don't we?
Yeah, buddy, we got a lot of that stuff now, I'm telling you. Let's see, what is that? That's a Thunderbird. Thunder Chicken. Yeah, boy. Bill Elliott. Awesome Bill from Dawsonville. I'll tell you what. Now, XLT. There's a Ford F-150. Ford F-150. There's your Scottsdale. Now that's like this one here. Kind of like your Silverado.
Yep.
That's almost the same.
Yeah.
Anyway. And then there's your Grand Prix. Grand Prix. I'd say it's Grand Prix. There's your Commando. Oh, Commando V8. What would that be? Oh, that's a Mopar 66 Plymouth Fury.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Commando V8. All right. There's your XL for your Ford. And then here's your
OD.
We're
missing the R.
There's your FOD.
We're missing the R.
Yeah, boy. There you go.
Y'all let us know if you need any of these emblems. We got a lot of them. We got more than this, too. We're just rounding them all up.
That's got all the little prongs on it.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah, boy.
And we'll sell those individual, too.
Yeah.
If you just need one of the letters.
We'll sell them individual.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Because we ain't got an R.
Yeah, ain't got the R.
So maybe somebody's got the R.
Yeah, it needs one of these. FOD.
FOD.
FOD. The FOD.
Hit that like and that subscribe.